Neil and Naira are out on a picnic today. Let us find out what they are doing. Our picnic plan is such a good idea. I like to spend my Sundays with both of you. Yes, Neil, I agree with you. It is so much fun. Let us open our picnic baskets and take out something that we all can eat. I have got the fruit which we all love. Do you want to know? Wow! A fruit! Yes! Please show us, Neil. The fruit begins with the sound. Try and guess. I know. It begins with the letter M. Is it mango? Great, Dino. Your guess is correct. Thanks, Neil. I remember playing a game of beginning sounds with Neil. Yes, Naira. Let us play the game where we guess the beginning sounds of things around us. Okay? Yay! Perfect! I have made these yummy sandwiches. Can anyone tell me the beginning sound of sandwich? Sandwich. Yum. You are correct, Dino. Look at this packet of crunchy nuts. Can you tell me the beginning sound of nuts? Nuts. I like to eat nuts. Wow, Naira. Good job. Oh, look, friends. Look what is flying in the sky. Parrot, parrot, up in the sky. Parrot, parrot, flying in the sky. I know the beginning sound of parrot. Parrot. Yes, Neil. Well done. Look, where is the parrot going? It is sitting on the tree. Can you tell me the beginning sound of tree? Tree. Nice work. Correct. Come on. Let us play with my favorite toy. I know what you are talking about. It's Yo-Yo. Right, Naira. Can you tell me the beginning sound of yo-yo? Absolutely. Yo-yo. Oh, look. There is a rabbit. Hello. Naira, can you tell me the beginning sound of rabbit? Okay. It is rabbit. Excellent. Bye-bye, Mr. Rabbit. The wind is cold. I have something that will help you stay warm. Take this quilt. Thank you, Neil. This is nice and warm. Quilt. Right, Neil? Yes, Dino. Absolutely correct. Let us go back home. It is getting late now. That is a cool watch, Neil. Thank you, Dino. Can you tell me the beginning sound of watch? Yes, it is watch. Well done, Neil. Let us go. Wait, let me quickly put all the nuts back and close the zip. Sure, Naira. Let me help you. I know the beginning sound of zip. It is zip. Everybody, let us drive back home in the